Hi,
Hello.
how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm very well, thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is my first time here.
That's great.
And you? Is this your first time here?
No, this is my second time here.
Oh, so you know the city a little.
Yes, I know it a little.
Do you come from Europe?
No, I don't come from Europe.
Do you come from America?
No, I don't come from America.
Do you come from Asia?
Yes, I do.
I come from Asia too.
Asia is a very large continent.
Yes, it is very large and very diverse.
Which country do you come from?
I come from Iran.
That's interesting.
And you? Which country do you come from?
I come from Japan.
Japan is beautiful.
Thank you.
I hope to visit Japan someday.
You should. It's a wonderful place.
By the way, where are you staying?
I am staying at the Grand Hotel.
The Grand Hotel?
Yes, the Grand Hotel.
Is it comfortable?
Yes, it is very comfortable.
Is it clean?
Yes, it is very clean.
That's good.
Where are you staying?
I am staying at the City Hotel.
The City Hotel?
Yes, the City Hotel.
Is it close to the city center?
Yes, it is very close.
That's convenient.
Yes, it is convenient for traveling.
How long have you been here?
I have been here for 5 days.
5 days?
Yes, 5 days.
I have been here for 3 days.
Are you enjoying your stay?
Yes, very much.
What do you like the most?
I like the food.
The food is delicious.
Yes, it is very delicious.
I like the people too.
The people are friendly.
Yes, they are very friendly.
How long will you stay?
I will stay for another week.
Another week?
Yes, another week.
That's a good amount of time.
And you? How long will you stay?
I will stay for 10 more days.
That's great.
I want to see many places.
There are many places to see.
Yes, I know.
Have you visited any places yet?
Yes, I have visited one museum.
Did you like it?
Yes, I liked it very much.
Museums here are very good.
I want to visit more museums.
You should visit the art museum.
Is it good?
Yes, it is very good.
I will visit it.
Have you visited any parks?
Not yet.
You should visit the Central Park.
Is it big?
Yes, it is very big.
I like big parks.
You can walk there for hours.
That sounds nice.
Do you like walking?
Yes, I like walking.
I like walking too.
Walking is relaxing.
Yes, it is relaxing.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping.
I like shopping too.
There are many shops here.
I want to buy souvenirs.
Souvenirs are a good idea.
Do you buy souvenirs?
Yes, I buy souvenirs for my family.
That's nice.
Do you travel alone?
Yes, I travel alone.
I travel alone too.
Traveling alone is interesting.
Yes, you meet many people.
Exactly.
Do you like the weather here?
Yes, the weather is nice.
It is sunny today.
I like sunny weather.
I like sunny weather too.
Is it hot in your country?
Sometimes it is very hot.
In Japan, it can be hot too.
Do you like hot weather?
Not very much.
I prefer warm weather.
Warm weather is comfortable.
Yes, it is comfortable.
Are you here on vacation?
Yes, I am here on vacation.
I am here on vacation too.
Vacation is important.
Yes, vacation helps us relax.
Do you work a lot?
Yes, I work a lot.
I work a lot too.
What do you do?
I am an engineer.
That's interesting.
And you? What do you do?
I am a teacher.
A teacher?
Yes, I teach English.
That's wonderful.
Thank you.
Do you like teaching?
Yes, I love teaching.
Teaching is important.
Yes, it is very important.
Do you teach children?
Yes, I teach children.
Children are fun.
Yes, they are fun and energetic.
Do you miss your students?
Yes, I miss them a little.
That's sweet.
Thank you.
Have you tried local food?
Yes, I have tried some dishes.
Which dish did you like?
I liked the grilled chicken.
The grilled chicken is very good.
Yes, it is delicious.
You should try the local soup.
Is it spicy?
A little spicy.
I like spicy food.
Then you will like it.
I will try it.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee.
I drink coffee every morning.
I drink tea in the morning.
Tea is good too.
Yes, tea is healthy.
Do you like desserts?
Yes, I love desserts.
I love desserts too.
The desserts here are sweet.
Yes, very sweet.
I want to try more desserts.
You should try the local cake.
I will try it.
Do you like taking photos?
Yes, I like taking photos.
I take many photos when I travel.
I take many photos too.
Photos help us remember.
Yes, they help us remember good moments.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use social media.
I use social media too.
I post travel photos.
I post travel photos too.
Maybe we can follow each other.
Yes, that's a good idea.
Do you have Instagram?
Yes, I have Instagram.
I have Instagram too.
We can exchange usernames.
Yes, let's do that.
It has been very nice talking with you.
It has been nice talking with you too.
You seem very friendly.
Thank you.
Please visit me sometime.
Really?
Yes, please visit me sometime.
Thank you very much.
Here is my address.
Here is my address too.
Great, now we can stay in touch.
Yes, we can stay in touch.
Shall we meet tomorrow?
Tomorrow?
Yes, tomorrow for coffee.
I am sorry, I have plans.
That's okay.
Maybe another day.
Maybe the day after tomorrow.
That sounds good.
Let's talk again later.
Sure.
Bye.
Goodbye.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Take care.
Take care.